Keith. Nice to meet you, mate.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you to come and see us. So you're known as Keith Par 3. You've got a wicked following. I've looked at you on Instagram. You're known for your par 3 in your garden. So, tell us about it. Tell us how it started, your story.
Yeah, unfortunately where I live, I've got such a great outdoor space there.
Definitely not London then.
No, definitely not. So yeah, I've got that great space there that when we moved in a few years back, it was all grass, grassland, and I just love kind of like playing football out and about with my young lads, but I love my golf as well.
Yeah.
And wife was out literally like one Sunday afternoon, and it's just me and my boy, and we was about to give the back just a little bit of a cut, give it a bit of a tickle, just the grass, give it a. And I said to him, what do you think Mummy would say if it was to turn this into a par 3? So we jumped on the ride on, and literally cut the middle part out, did the fairway. She comes back and.
So how long did that take then?
To cut the middle bit out. Well, you just literally a bit of a shape, just shaping it out. Taking it down a bit, getting the outline of it, making it actually look like looking like a fairway. And I was thinking, how's this going to go down? What reaction am I going to get? And it was actually quite positive. She actually looked down at the back.
She liked it?
You know what? She said it actually looks all right.
My missus would have killed me.
So it was very much, as soon as I got that reaction, it's the green light to
go and do more.
To go. So I've got 2 young kids, and as you get 2 younger kids, you kind of golf on
How
the
old
court.
are they?
7 and 3.
Okay, right. I got a 7 or 8 now. He's 8.
So 2 young kids, your golfing kind of diminishes a little bit, doesn't it, in terms of be able to get out on the course and stuff. So I thought,
I get my 8-year-old out on the course now. I just let him drive the buggy around, just so I can play. So it works out.
So it's cut the fairway out, and then I thought, I'll make a start on the green. Yeah. So just literally with a bog standard push lawn mower, just decided to cut the green out just to get it shaped again, and then from on there put it on Instagram, social media. It
started growing.
And then the interest on it's just kind of gone from there, and it's been great, so supportive. And then after that, I've just kind of been doing different bits, and I've loved being outside and very hands-on, and love tinkering, just pottery and stuff like that. And
so what equipment was you using to begin with? And obviously I know you've taken delivery of the Husqvarna, so obviously what's the difference in that? How has Husqvarna helped you?
Well, the equipment I was initially using at first was the ride-on, and over time I've purchased a proper greens mower just to get it down to the proper height, get it cutting and rolling right as it should. But I've had the auto mower now for a few weeks. Do you know what? It's been a very much welcome addition. It's like a game changer.
I bet your missus is happy she can spend more time with you now.
Do you know what? It's she's got jobs lined up, that sort of thing. But as a result of that, there's other jobs around the par 3 that I'm able to do as a result of the auto mower. You get it set up, so easy to program once it's up and running. So I've even just checked now, on my way in here. It's currently out cutting the fairway now, so it's good. It allows me to do other things around the par 3 and even concentrate on my game as well, which is much needed.
Exactly, isn't it all for us? But I mean, a lot of people. There's been a lot of sometimes negative comments from groundskeepers and whatnot, saying, the automowers are robots are taking our jobs and whatnot. But like you said there, actually it helps create time to do other things. And I understand that a lot of greenkeepers have reached out to you as well. Yeah,
they have, and it's great. As I say, with the Instagram and stuff, the support's incredible in terms of people are invested in it, and they actually look, in terms of how I've got it, the results that I'm doing. It's they get in touch and offer advice in terms of why don't you try this, or I've got contacts now that I can reach out to. So if I'm struggling a little bit with certain things, I can just say like, look, got this issue. What do you think?
Anyone offered you any jobs?
Well, a lot of people think, and the greenkeepers might say otherwise. Well, there's a lot of people who actually think I'm a full-time greenkeeper.
I actually did. When I looked at your Instagram, I thought you was.
A lot of people think I've been a greenkeeper in a former lifetime, where I haven't. I've just literally, as I say, I've just loved being out there. I've got a passion for like lawn care, love me golf, and I've literally just kind of made it up step by step as I've been going along. And there's been plenty of mistakes made along the way.
But you learn from it,
that's all part and parcel of it, but it's very much a labour of love.
Are you getting your son involved in it?
Yeah, do you know what I do? He doesn't know it yet, but he's a greenkeeper now as well, so he's signed up to it. So
is he more interested in football or golf?
He loves his football.
Yeah.
So
good.
And just on that, a nice little touch about the auto mower though as well, that you're able to name it.
Yeah, exactly.
So I put it out on Instagram a couple of weeks back, just in terms of suggestions and stuff like that. And just on the football, he's a big Liverpool fan.
Oh yeah.
So the mower's now called Mo Salah.
I like that. I like that. I like that. That's quality.
So yeah, he's made up with that. Yeah. So he got to choose the name of the mower.
Just on a side note, do you think Liverpool are going to win the league this year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They will do.
You think you're gonna get Isak?
So Isaac.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it? He certainly wants it, doesn't
he? He definitely wants it, but I'm not sure.
He certainly needs. He's not staying there, is he?
No, exactly. So, I think he's out. So, what's your plans next for your garden going forward? Is there anything else you're going to do?
Yeah, plans with the par 3 now. It's very much a continuous journey, always kind of developing it. And this year's all been around like the maintaining of it, taking it to a next level. There's like a local company, fortunately, got on board with me now, providing me like the feed, the seed, giving me advice, and I want to get it, to a great, a real good standard. People, and that's a good thing about the Instagram. People on the comments and stuff will say, "What are you going to do next?" People want me to put a lake in next, but I am
not going to do that. That's a lot.
No, I might add a couple more bunkers, something like that. Put a few more trees in down the side, just to make it a little bit more easier on the eye. But plans for the par 3. My next plan is, because where we are, I've got quite a decent outdoor space. I want to build a golf simulator out in the back garden.
Yeah.
So,
but then you'll never see the missus. Trust me. I've got a golf simulator, and it's like what shall I do? Let me just get out in the back garden, go on the simulator.
Yeah.
So,
but also just on the course as well. I'm trying to get a hole in one as well. That's what I want to get as well.
Yeah.
So
are you going to count your shots? Do what a bit of Bryson DeChambeau did.
I'm certainly not playing over the house. Because there's a tagline in my Instagram that says "Don't follow for golf tips." So that's very much where my golf is at.
Oh, okay.
So it's,
anyone else in your area or anything like that said, "Can you come and do my garden?"
Do you know what I do now? Obviously, people think I'm all of a sudden I'm a lawn expert and stuff like that. Mates will send me pictures of the gardens and say, "Look, I've got this issue with the garden, the lawn, and stuff like that. Can you come and have a look at it and stuff?" And even now, people, as much as greenkeepers have reached out to me, people are now reaching to me to say on social media and stuff, and asking for lawn advice themselves. So, which is quite cool.
Yeah, man.
To give back.
Are you going to take them up on it? Or are you going to help them out?
Do you know what I do? I try and answer
that could be a business.
I try and answer as many comments as I can. And try and help where in any way I can. Just like people have helped me and stuff when they've been in touch to say, "Why don't you try this? Why don't you try that?" So it's all good.
What was the biggest problem you had when you started doing your par 3?
I'd have to say the biggest thing the biggest is trying to get the green right. That's been the most trickiest part. Getting it down to the right level, getting it rolling right. And I've certainly a new appreciation for greenkeepers. I've just got one green to manage, let alone out here you've got 18 plus holes to manage and just the sheer upkeep in terms of maintaining it. So when I'm out playing golf and stuff like that, I'm certainly looking towards the greenkeepers.
I mean, did you see the AIG, the Women's Open?
I saw that.
Every single fairway was cut by Husqvarna, so that was amazing.
It's good to see. It looked amazing.
I mean, that's where the game's going, I think, and I like the fact that with some, I don't want to say traditional old thinking ways people, but ultimately the game is evolving, technology is evolving, and like I said, I look at Husqvarna, I say it's just helping everything become more efficient. So you can concentrate on the difficult things like the greens, and then you've got the Husqvarnas that can do fairways and roughs and things like that. But where do you think golf is going with technology?
It's I think you've got to embrace it, haven't you? Like most things in life now, it's all centered around tech. So it's certainly no different, is it? Especially around like the auto mowers and things like that. It's got to be seen as a positive, and
You have a go every day?
Yeah, do you know what? It's nothing better in the evenings and stuff like that. Once I've maintained it, cut it, kids are in bed, and you can just go out and hit a few balls and stuff like that. It's nothing better. And
Have you thinned any balls into any houses?
Fortunately, I've thinned many a ball, but fortunately where I am, to the back, there's open fields to the back, and to the left it's open, so it's certainly golf proof for my game, you know.
Would it ever be a public thing, or is it just for you?
It's just for me, for friends, and kind of, you know, anybody, you know, through social media and stuff like that. I do get people messaging wanting to come down and stuff, so I will, over time, you know, let people, you know, come and play.
They got to buy tickets to get in, mate.
People have said that. People say, do you know what? I've never charged for it. It's no green fees at Keith Par 3, no green fees.
Okay,
so yeah, it's great. It's just so good to have.
I'll tell you what I liked. I liked the tee box that you created. That was good.
The wooden one.
Yeah. That was good.
But I've also, with the soil that I had left over from the bunker, when I dug that out, I've actually made a proper grass tee box now as well. So over the year, I think I'll probably make that tee box a little bit bigger.
Wide,
stuff like that. Just keep evolving it. Yeah. So it's good.
Yeah. Mate, I wish I had that space in my garden.
How many hours a week are you spending now?
Do you know what? As I said, I'm always out there. So even if you do the odd hour or two here and there each night and stuff like that, it's just, you know, a little and often, should we say. I would be out there all day and night if it wasn't for me.
But the Husqvarnas do it. You don't need to be out there. That's the whole point.
But no, it is. It's good, and that's the thing you've got to have for it. You've got to have the passion for it though as well. That people say, how do you find the time to do that? It's like people got gym memberships, people will go and watch box sets and stuff like that at home and things like that, where for me, any kind of spare free time, I'm out there. It's a major factor for that though as well. It's on the doorstep, so it's like I don't have to travel anywhere. You know.
So that's the problem though. When you get that simulator in, you're going to be out there all the time.
Well, I know, and that's
the problem.
It'll help me golf. Very, you know, much needed.
Yeah, exactly.
Is there like a hole on a course that runs wide your Par 3?
No, do you know what? There isn't. It's just very much freelance, freestyle in terms of how I've done it. In terms of the initial shapes, probably changed and stuff, and so I've just kind of, just for how it looks on the eye, kind of thing. Bit of a shape green, shape the fairway, so but. I'm always tinkering as well with the fairway and things, and it's a bit. People are a bit split in terms of when they say, well, some Par 3s don't have a fairway. Why have you got a fairway and stuff like that? But for me, it just looks aesthetically,
nice,
it looks good.
So you can way up.
Would you?
And do you know what? Yeah, it helps. The fairway helps me get on in too. So we're all good.
Would you let it grow all the way up again and do it and change it completely?
You can do. You can just tinker with the shape, you know, over time and stuff like that. And again, you know, plans with the green over time now. I've kind of got a bit of a program in place in terms of how I've got the green set up. The plan is to make the green a lot bigger. You know, initially, this kind of first year, I wanted something that I'd be able to manage and maintain. Where now I feel like I've got it set up to how I want it. You know, I know
make it more grand.
Know how to do it. So I've got confidence now to make it bigger and just keep evolving it.
Quality.
So yeah.
And is it only ever going to be one hole?
Yeah, it certainly will. People have said, well, why don't you create a green to the back, you know, off next to the tee box? But for you've not seen me golf to play back towards the house.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was saying.
Kitchen window.
Yeah, no, certainly it would do it. It's like, for me, but.
Or you need to get that field at the back.
Yeah.
People have said, why don't you do that? But for me personally, I like the uniqueness of just having the one hole Par 3 in the back garden. So for me, and also that the one hole is certainly enough to manage as well.
Exactly,
so it really is.
What height's the green at here?
The green, it's round about at the minute between 4 and 5 mil. So.
I'm a greenkeeper, so.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Right. So you'll if you had a look at it, have you?
I haven't got any for you.
So
what do you think of it?
I haven't seen it, so I don't.
Oh, you haven't seen?
No, I need to. I'm always on Instagram, so I need to follow.
Exactly.
You know.
You've got another follower.
Yeah. So. How many have you got? Followers, 110,000. So yeah.
I've got a
How long does it take you to get that mount?
Just over a year. So it was just initially when I first started off, and then first couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks in, all of a sudden I think I woke up overnight and there was something like 5,000 that had in one night.
That's
so
quality.
it was that's kind of like there's no going back.
Yeah,
so
it's carrying
but
on.
also though they've been very supportive, so they very much kept me going though as well, because at times I've been out there and I'm thinking, what on earth have I started? You know, it's.
Do you like that though? Do you like the social media part?
Do you know what? Initially, I'm not that type of person, you know, where I put myself out there, and people that know me, I'm quite reserved and stuff like that. But once you put yourself out there, and it's you get used to it and stuff. You know, it's like doing things like this now. It's a great opportunity that comes its way as a result of doing it, and there's it's very much I enjoy doing it now. It's very much. Good to, because people are part of the journey now. They're involved in it.
They want to see what you're doing. They want to get involved.
It's good to keep them updated as well. So it's great. Like any social media, you'd always get negative comments and stuff like that. But
don't worry about that, mate. I get loads every day.
You do. You just got to see past it. Yeah. But I see that though. It helps.
And you're a policeman as well, so you can just go and arrest them.
But yeah, it all helps the engagement anyway, doesn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
So it's all good.
Well, thank you for coming on. I've really enjoyed that, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you're going to do next in your par 3. See your son out there maybe playing football and playing golf. Yeah. Is he better than you?
At golf?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
What's your handicap?
My handicap? Oh, it's early 20s. I'm not ashamed to say.
Well, you need to get on that par 3 then.
But no, I do need to get on the par 3. I'm looking at getting some much needed lessons over the autumn winter period, which I'm going to document that journey on the social media as well. So it's.
Oh mate, I'm buzzing for you, man. You've got great
I'm better at cutting grass than I am a golfer.
What about football?
Yeah, football.
Yeah.
Football's all right. Yeah, he loves his football. Yeah, so he's a big Liverpool fan.
Okay, now I'm going to keep my eye on you, man. Thanks for coming on.
No, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, cheers.